Hi and welcome back to this video brought to you by Maths from Scratch. This is the answer walkthrough video for short division level 6. So here are your quick answers. So question 1, the answer is 3.015. The answer to question 2 is 0.004. The answer to question 3 is 0.879. The answer to question 4 is 20.1318. And then the answer to question 5 is 301,607.3. Now, if you've got all those right, well done. You can go ahead and watch short division at level 7. And then that's the last level in this short division series. So well done for having the patience to watch all 7 videos. And if you've made a mistake, keep watching and I'm going to go through and answer all of these 5 questions in turn. Now, I think you'll agree is that when you look at the answers and what you've achieved by using short division to answer those questions, I think you can see now that it is a very, very, very powerful method because it gives you some kind of confidence that you can work out the answer to any short division question that you're ever going to encounter. So, well done for that. So, let's go ahead and answer these questions then for the answer walkthrough. So, question 1. So I've already written out the sum for us here so we can save a bit of time. So we're taking each digit in turn. 2's into 6 go 3. Then we write the decimal above it, exactly the same place. 2's into 0, well that doesn't go, because remember 2 is too big, so we write a 0. Move on to the next digit. 2's into 3, well 2 goes into 3 once, and then there's 1 left over as my remainder. So 2's into 10 go 5 times. And so that gives me my answer as 3.015. So if we move on to question number 2. So 5's into 0, well 5 is too big, so we just write a 0. Copy the decimal point. 5's into 0, again 5 is too big, so we just write a 0. 5's into 2, well again 5 is too big, so we write a 0. And then we carry the 2. And then it's going to be 5's into 20. So 5's into 20 go 4 times. So that's where that answer comes from. And that's number 2 done. Okay, so if we approach question number 3 then. So in this question, we've been asked to divide 4.395 by 5. So let's take each digit in turn. So 5's into 4. Well, 5 is too big, so we need to write a 0 above the 4. And now I'm going to carry the 4 and put it next to the 3. Now we're going to line up our decimal points. Now we ask ourselves, how many 5's go into 43? Well, 5 times 8 is 40, so it's going to be 8 times. And then we're going to carry the 3. Right, now 5's into 39. Well, 5 7's are 35, so it's going to be 7 lots of 5. And then we're going to have a remainder of 4. And then 5's into 45, and that goes exactly 9 times. So the answer to 4.395 divided by 5 is 0.879. And that's question 3 walked through for you. Right, let's take a look at example number 4. So 5's into 1, well 5's too big, so we're going to carry the 1 over to my next digit. 5's into 10 go twice, and it goes in exactly, so I don't need to do any carries or any remainders. 5's into 0, well that is too big, so it's going to be a 0. Now copy the decimal point exactly where you see it. Now we're dealing with this 6. 5's into 6 go once, with a remainder of 1. And then 5's into 15 go 3 times exactly, so that's that one completely finished. 5's into 9 go once, with a remainder of 4, and then 5's into 40 go 8 times exactly. So that makes my answer to question 4, 20.1318. And then that's that one done. And you can see now, short division is incredibly powerful. I know I keep saying it, but I love it. Now let's have a look at the last one, question number 5. So we're dividing 603,214.6 by 2. So take each digit in turn. How many 2's go into 6? Well, that's 3. How many 2's go into 0? Well, it's too big, so it's a nothing. 2's into 3 go once, and then there's 1 left over as my remainder. 2's into 12 go 6. 2's into 1, well, 2 is too big, so it's going to be a 0, and then we carry the 1. 2's into 14 go 7. Copy the decimal point, and then 2's into 6 go 3 times. So the answer to number 5 is 301,607.3. And I bet you didn't think you could work out decimal answers to sums using a written method. So well done on those. So that's short division level 6, the walkthrough sorted. 1 level left now, that's level 7. And this is that will complete the short division course. Now, one thing to bear in mind is that we have just used easy times tables here. Now, the method is exactly the same when we use other times table facts, so dividing by 9s, 7s, 8s. Your times tables just need to be properly secure for you to get the full benefit of that. Now, there is other videos based on my channel that you can use to help you get good at your times tables, so check those out. So if you found this video useful, please like, subscribe and share with other people who you think will find these useful as well. So thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.